Hello everybody, hope everyone's well and having a fantastic day today. Today I'm going to cook a couple of rashers of bacon for a change. With that, I've still got some Polish sausages to eat, so I'm going to have a couple of them as well, or maybe just one. I've got one M&S black pudding left, which I'm going to have today. I've got a couple of free range eggs, and I'm going to chuck some chips in the air fryer. So I've got some McCain home crinkles chips, and I'm also going to have some Waitrose baked beans and probably some jalapenos, all on a plate, looking like a dinner, not a sandwich, not a roll. Yeah, so that will be dinner tonight. There's some chips in the air fryer, 200, 20 minutes. So a couple of rashers of bacon into the pan, hopefully, if I can get them apart. There's one there. And there's two. A couple of Polish sausages in there. I'll let it cook a bit before I chuck a couple of eggs in there. And a black pudding. So how's everyone doing? Everyone having a fantastic day today? Enjoy the weather. A bit cooler today. Not as hot. So yeah. I think tomorrow I might have a barbecue. And I need to get some different bacon. I need some what's that other bacon called? Streaky bacon. I want to use some streaky bacon and use some of these sausages with streaky bacon and sort of wrap it around the sausages. Maybe put some tomatoes and some mushrooms or something on there, and yeah, sort of skewer them through. See how we get on with that. So yeah, didn't put any butter in this tonight, just just leave that joint out there. There's a couple of parties in. So I'll do the same as I've done last yesterday with these. I'm just going to slightly cook them on the outside, slice them in half and cook them that way. Beans I'm going to chuck into a pan. Just going to chuck some chili flakes in with the beans. A little bit more spicy. They look like that. Maybe even some jalapenos in there. Jalapenos in beans. Those sausages I'm just going to chop them down the middle. Just like that. Just like that. Couple of eggs. Not pro egg, isn't it? Same split here. There we go, a couple of eggs in there. Chips on. Coming on. So they're just doing their thing. Just going to chuck the bacon up there so I don't burn it too much. Incinerate it. Try to anyway. Try not to incinerate it, should I say. There we go. It's looking nice. Beans are going. Bit of spice in there. A few chilli flakes and a bit of jalapeno. Chips I'm just going to put a bit of salt on. Bit of black pudding. Bit of black pudding over there. All the beans smell nice. Try and flip that, I think. Not very well. Black pudding's coming on a treat. Bacon, eggs, black pudding, Polish sausages, beans, jalapenos, chilies, and chips. Probably going to sling some cheese over some of it, maybe. Shut it down a bit. That's lovely, that does. If you made it this far, thank you very much. And thanks for everyone who's liked the videos, watched the videos. Yeah, all the people that will watch the videos really. If you subscribed, brilliant. Thanks very much. It all helps the channel grow. Beans are looking great actually. I prefer to cook my beans in a saucepan because when you cook them in a microwave they're all sort of runny, aren't they? The juice is just like it's not the best really. I don't like it. I prefer to cook them in a saucepan. Nice bit of egg, bit of black pudding, a couple of Polish sausages, bit of bacon, got some chips if I can get them out. Really the way I should do it. There you go, got some chips on there now. Just in time by the sounds of it, sounds like the football's coming out. I'll just move that over there. There you go, some beans with some chilies. And some jalapenos. Little sprinkle of cheese on top. Chili cheese at that. There we go. Dinner done for another day. Right, up, there you go. Without tipping it all over the floor, table. Dinner for another day. Sorted. Beans, jalapenos, chili flakes, cheese, and yeah. They're hot, they are. Hot beans. Wow. Yeah. Bit of black pudding. Oh, make a mess of this. Right, better that, better that, better that, better that maybe. There you go, beans, egg, bit of black pudding. Oh yeah, like that. If you haven't tried the M&S black pudding, give it a go. It's really nice. On that note, people, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.